In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video to Shopify without YouTube. We're going to upload your video directly to Shopify so it's hosted on your store. No external platforms required. This approach gives you more control over branding, avoids third-party overlays, and keeps visitors on your site. I'll also share a quick tip for shrinking large files using Handbrake so your pages load fast. Start by signing in to your Shopify admin and heading to your store's home dashboard. Take a second to confirm you're in the correct store if you manage multiple accounts. From here, you'll see the main navigation on the left. Next, navigate through the sidebar. While you might be used to managing pages under Online Store, the actual upload we need lives in a different spot. Look for Content in the left menu, and then open Files. This is your central library for images, documents, and videos that you want to store inside Shopify and reuse across your theme, pages, and products. Inside Files, click the Upload button. A file picker will open on your computer. Choose the video you want to host. For the best compatibility and performance, use an MP4 file encoded with H.264. Aim for a sensible resolution like 720p or 1080p and keep the duration and size in check so it won't slow down your storefront. Once you select the file, the upload will begin. Stay on the page while it processes. When it finishes, you'll see the video listed in your files library with its name, size, and a hosted URL. That URL is what you can reference later in your theme or page content to display the video without relying on YouTube. If your video is too large or takes a long time to upload, you can reduce the size using the free Handbrake tool. Open your video in Handbrake. Choose a preset like Fast1080p30 and make sure the format is MP4. For efficient compression, use the H.264 encoder and a constant quality value around the low 20s to balance clarity with size. Check the web optimized option so the video starts playing sooner on your pages. Keep audio as AAC stereo at a moderate bitrate to save space. Export the new file, then return to Shopify's files and upload the optimized version. That's it. By storing your video in files, you keep everything in Shopify, maintain a clean look, and improve page performance. Remember to keep files as small as practical and test playback on mobile and desktop to ensure a smooth experience.